Hello everyone, I am Vaishali. Today I am going to give you a dictation of legal matter at the speed of 120 words per minute. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The Reserve Bank has prepared a report about it, full stop. If depredation of such 7-8 companies and smaller companies working in a local level is ascertained, it will certainly be around 10,000 crore rupees, and they ran away with this depredation in the past 2-3 years. Full stop. This is the only greatest contribution of public sector that it provides a guarantee to every citizen of common man of India, and everyone remains convinced to know that his capital and cost will remain secure. Full stop. Our public sector depends upon the laborers working in the public sector a lot. Full stop. He remains convinced, having this guarantee in mind, that at least the labor-law will not be violated but certainly will be aided by. Full stop. He will get his reasonable wages according to the prescribed working hours in the public sector. Full stop. Please, have a look at the condition of private sector. Full stop. Since 1991, when you gave relaxation, one is made to work for 12-14 hours per day, and she is given 6-700 rupees per month. Full stop. If some more demand is made, he is kicked out. Full stop. Today, the Trade Act is not being followed. Full stop. We want to say that the public sector is the main pillar of progress in this country. Full stop. The government cannot do the work of social welfare by abolishing it or by being averse to it. Full stop. Para change. Mr. Chairman, Sir, I want to remind the Honorable Minister that when he was the leader of Congress in 1977, the private sector, the efforts or manufacturing Maruti cars were started by the private sector, and the Prime Minister's son had himself initiated this work. Full stop. He said that it would be an indigenous and cheap car. Full stop. Prior to it, its proto-type engine was displayed in 1972-73. Full stop. I want to remind you that I was sitting in the audience gallery when the leaders of opposition, Mr. Mishra and Sri Madhu Limai, had raised this issue that the engine which had been displayed was not an indigenous engine. Full stop. A hue and cry continued for many days over the issue. Full stop. Ultimately, after the election of 1980, that private company became the public company in 1981. Full stop. Today, we want to salute and thank the contribution it has made in the industrial auto sector. Full stop. Had this public sector industry not been there today, could we have brought about the revolution in the auto sector in the country? Question mark. Para change. Mr. Chairman, sir, I still remember the time when a watch was not available in the country. Full stop. At that time, HMT company was established in the public sector. Full stop. I would walk with a bag in my hand with the MP of that time, and the recommendation of an MP was sought for a 100-rupee watch. Full stop. For the marriage, I would take that letter and go to the ministry that our so and so man needs a watch. Full stop. Now, such a miracle has been made in the field of watches that HMT watches are running in the losses, and being sick watches, their business is on the verge of collapse. Full stop. It should be given financial assistance for making it viable. Full stop. This effort was also made by the government. We, therefore, want to say that when a new government was formed under a new resolution in 1977, this policy was formulated that the Sikh industries, if they are concerned with the public anyhow, will be nationalized by the government. Full stop. Since then, comma, the government has continued the nationalization. Full stop. If a businessman knowingly makes a company sick, comma, the government will nationalize all the company concerned with that company. After this declaration, comma, the Swadeshi cotton mill, comma, Kanpur became sick. Full stop. Para change. There, comma, the workers went on strike, full stop. They did not get their salaries for a month, full stop. In the vicinity of that mill, comma, there was a sugar mill, full stop. You nationalized all those factories in 1977, full stop. Shri Sikandar Bhakt of this government was in the government of that time, full stop. After nationalizing it, comma, it was left to the will of God, full stop. All the factories you undertook, comma, they are in worse condition than the conditions of that time, full stop. Our farmers are dying, full stop. The sugar mill along with the Swadeshi cotton mill came into the hands of the government and the government has not done anything about it so far, full stop. The farmers and the laborers are dying, full stop. There was a unit of fertilizer Corporation of India in Gorakhpur, which has been lying closed since 1990. Full stop. From 1990 onwards, comma, the fertilizer corporation continuously paid them salaries, and in paying the salaries to the laborers, approximately an amount of rupees 50 lakh was being spent every month by Indian government for the supply of electricity and for maintaining other infrastructure, full stop. When asked as to why you do not run them after renovation, comma, they say that running them is rather a loss incurring affair, full stop. Thank you.